What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of the YouTube universe? You got the old Mongo Man and Kenny with you here in Mongo's Garage tonight, July the 15th? Yeah. 2021, Thursday. Didn't do a whole heck of a lot tonight, but we did start messing around with some of the side cushions. Actually, we got one of the cushions actually glued on prematurely, of course, because I haven't put the mount screws in it yet, and I didn't think about that until after. But, you know, some you win, some you lose. We'll figure it out. So what we got going on here, let's take a look. This is the cushion that I actually glued on prematurely, like I said. I guess we figured out that the glue sticks really well. Everything's kosher. That's one of the under the front windshield cushions for the bow seats. And then I took one of the side cushions for the bow seat over, one of the backers, and found out that it is very much curved. And in an effort to get the cushion stretched tight over the foam on that curved cushion, I wanted to go ahead and put a curve in it. And this is my attempt at keeping that curve. As you can see here, I put some of the 1708 down here, and on the 1708 I've gone ahead and put some resin on it, and we're going to see if that'll hold it there. It's not that much of a curve. It's about a 2.5 inch curve over 4 feet, so you can see I put a bunch of relief cuts in it in order to get it to do so without looking stupid. And we'll see, like I said, if that 1708 will hold it there. It's soaked down pretty good. And Cheryl was busy today and sanded the rest of this stuff that needed sanded. Make sure you subscribe. And then got things coated. This is just the back side. She had coated the other side, and I had enough resin left over from this that I coated that. And the table is all ready and coated and good to go. So like I said, we didn't get a whole bunch done tonight, but we at least did something, right? We were testing and tuning here, trying out those side cushions to see if that's going to work, see how that'll go. And then I got to figure out how we're going to mount the side cushions. The way they were mounted before, they actually screwed them in there, I think, before the boat was, or while the boat was still in 2 pieces. And then they put the top down on the boat. So I got to figure out a way to get them screwed in there, but we will. Not a problem. KJ took himself a little ride today. Bought him a set of brand new used tires, 35s for old Too Tall here. As you can see, the tires that he got from one of his buddies are pretty much bald at this point. They're only 33s. And he ended up with a set of Ironman 35s, mud terrain, 20-inch tire. Probably going to get those mounted tomorrow at work. At least he's hoping to, so we'll see what happens there. All right, well, that's all for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, for hitting all the buttons and the doobly-doos and yada-hoo-doo-hoo-boos. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. All right, till next time, the Mongo Man is out.